on the pavement we first collide. City lights couldn't hide the vibe. Noise all around but me only see your smile shining back at me. Streets so rough but the love so pure. Every heartbeat me know for sure. Love on the pavement, shining bright. Two souls connect under the night. Through this struggle, we will still remain. Love on the pavement, never fade. The hustle loud, the traffic roar, but my spirit only say give me more. Every step me can't let go. Love grows strong in the street light glow. World may pass we rushing by, but we love